Hello and welcome to this lesson on calculating the mean from data. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to understand what the mean represents, rearrange the mean formula to find missing values, and solve problems where data changes. Let's get started. First, remind yourself what the mean actually shows. It is the total of all values divided by the number of values. This formula links three important parts: the total, the mean, and how many values there are. Now here's the key idea. If you know any two of these, you can always find the third. So sometimes, instead of dividing, we flip the formula. Total equals mean multiplied by number. In more challenging questions, you are often asked to work backwards. This usually happens when something changes, like a new value being added, removed, or missing. The trick is simple but powerful. Find the total before the change, then find the total after the change. Once you have both totals, the missing value reveals itself. Now let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try yourself. A team of 18 players has an average weight of 72 kilograms. Then a new player joins, and the mean increases to 72.5 kilograms. What is the weight of the new player? Step 1, find the total before the new player. That is 72 multiplied by 18, which gives 1,296 kilograms. Step 2, find the new total with 19 players. 72.5 multiplied by 19 gives 1,377.5 kilograms. Step 3, subtract to find the new player's weight. 1,377.5 minus 1,296 equals 81.5 kilograms. So the new player weighs 81.5 kilograms. Let's have another question. You can pause the video and try yourself. A class has 8 students with an average test score of 65 marks. A new student joins the class, and the new average becomes 67 marks. We want to find the score of the new student. We use the formula total equal mean, multiply by number. Now step 1, find the original total score. We multiply 65 by 8. That gives 520 marks. Step 2, find the new total after the extra student joins. Now there are 9 students, so we multiply 67 by 9. That gives 603 marks. Step 3, find the new student score. We subtract the old total from the new total. 603 minus 520 equals 83. So the final answer is 83 marks. This method works because the total increases when a new value is added. That increase is exactly the value of the new student.